Now, there are fears that the art of fast bowling locally is on the decline, and efforts should be made to attract more youngsters to the discipline. For those already in the game, there are conversations on whether they're being given enough opportunities.
Should there be a restriction on fast bowlers at the high school level? Some stakeholders believe current rules restricting the number of overs fast bowlers are allowed to bowl in a spell should be reviewed. For others, it is a necessary rule.
I really do have a problem with that. 8 overs is a lot, and 8 over rest 40 minutes, that is not bad for protecting fast bowlers because a lot of work. So what you don't want to do is for us to find one special fast bowler, and because of that you bowl him 16 overs just to win a game. You understand me? That's why I always say administration is the biggest problem in sports overall.
That number is good enough for them. I think they're trying to keep it in line with the regional format where they have 8 overs to bowl as well, right? Also, they're young and, you don't want to burn them out too much. So it's good to give them a break during the innings.
Excelsior High School fast bowler Romain Powell doesn't mind bowling long spells.
Because it gives me a lot of time to put myself together, and mainly it's mainly about putting myself together and to put the team at a better position.
One of the most successful youth coaches in the last few years, Jermaine Williams, who formerly led the Woolman's Boys program, says there is another factor to consider.
It can be more ways. It can come down to the nutritional factor at the school level. Some schools are different from some schools. Some schools are going to give their player this supplement or that, and the nourishment is right, while some other schools are going to fall short. So we have to strike a balance there. So we don't want to push them, and then the coaches damaging the fast bowling department, and then another school who is giving them the right supplement and the right nourishment here and there, and with the right training, and then they go on. But it has to be a balance.
For Excelsior High School's under-16 coach Clifton Bailey, there are measures that could be implemented to ensure fast bowlers are given a fair shot at bowling.
I think the change can come quickly, but as I say that JCA and ISA will have to come together to fix the problem. At least the first 16 overs should be bowled by a pace bowling, then something like that. Understand? So if you allow us the coaches to do, and we have a special spin bowler, we're going to use him. And just like how is that mean everywhere, is that mean in the IPL, is that mean in international cricket right now where spin bowlers are opening the bowling.
Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.